They're coming out.
Different route.
Listen, man. Get him with the front tire right here. Oh, shit! Nice truck, he said. What? Well,
Tim Blatt's that tree behind her.
whose is it? Evans?
I don't know.
Who do you get rid of the tree?
Fucker, looks like it's falling already.
What's that there, man?
Can't get out this way.
You're gonna
right
have
there.
to take the tree blind now.
Right
That's
there.
the swamp.
There ain't no swamp there. It's all
Yeah.
sand.
Jesus Christ.
You ain't going over there.
Hold on.
Get over there.
Truckers and Phillies. Oh, I was hoping he's in.
Oh, we got her around now.
We got stuck between the wheel and the fender. Oh yeah, we're hung out good over here. He's gonna leave us here too because he's mad about the truck.
Huh?
This side's not even touching the ground. We need a chainsaw.
That tree out by the rook.
That's the one. Let me go get a chainsaw.
Doing it for the vlog. What's he doing? Come on, bring the backhoe. Come on. Come on, Rod. You got a hook on it. He's stuck with the backhoe. He wants you to pull him. You don't swing that booming. Come on. Get around the front. You gotta go around the front.
Pull you backward.
You gotta pull him all the way out.
Oh.
Transfer case broke. Come on, Runt. Drive your truck you just bought. You wanted to buy it, Runt. Come on.
I don't want that. First time I bought fucking grass a tree on it. I didn't want it.
Come on, get in there. Hook chain up.
Well, hook chain up before I get in there.
Snow's so wet. That snow's so wet and tacky, man.
Fucking
And then
ain't right
deep.
it is. Hell yeah. What do you do? Just fuck up the four-wheel drive or what?
Yeah, I think a CV axle or something like that. It was kind of popping in and out. Transfer case, who knows? Run over trees 8 inches thick.
Jesus Christ.
I mean, even that back was having a hard time getting around
Yeah, I
there.
know.
But you can go out that way and then you can get out.
Go this way?
If you go out that way. It's this field right there if you just go out that way.
Fuck, that's what we should try to do. Get some of that little shit cleared out. And
Well, even little shit, you just go around that bush
Up
and
and
you
around
go
that
up and
bush.
that's opening right on the other side of that big pine tree and it's open right out to Ryan.
oh, all right. Right up to that field. Yeah, that's probably the way because that way you gotta pull it, maneuver it through all that bush.
Leave it here. Alright.
Where you going, bud? You got your clutch out installed. It is now. Yeah, it's just four-wheel drive. It's fucked up, probably. Stuck. He's got to get up top of the hill. He's got to unhook. He might
Get
go.
video.
All right, here.
That'd be better.
Yeah, yeah. But he needs to get up top. What he needs to do, get on top of the hill, rehook. You know what I mean? I don't want to jerk that motherfucker when I'm getting ready to jerk that.
So warm.
Gotta rehook the fucking chain. Hold up, I'll hook it, Scott. Hold up, Kevin, hold up a second. Put it up there, I'll hook it, bud.
Oh, God's working again.
Is it? Scott says this is gonna be a hot ticket on Facebook tonight. Truck for sale.
Not a good deal. Alright, Modern Muscle. Yeah, that was just some pretty raw footage I was just doing because I wanted to get video out, but that was a fun video to make, one of the funnest videos I've ever made. So, you know, besides getting the demon down, which we've got 2 more race videos to even get the demon caught up to how low we've actually gotten it. And then obviously we got truck content here, but I just wanted to do a little sign out video on it. And what made the video even funnier is like if you watch like the first part where Jeremy's saying, hey, that's because Jeremy was actually just made a deal to buy the truck. And then we went out and was smashing it up. So anyways, that was pretty hilarious. And actually, if you like that video or like this video and want more of this kind of videos, I mean, we got a bunch of junk trucks that we can go smash up, and I do got some other projects going. So anyways, please give her a big thumbs up, please subscribe, and we'll see you next video.